Hello everyone, welcome to Standard 2nd, and after a short break we are going to start our new studies, and today we will do maths. And I know all of you love to study maths. मुझे पता है सबको maths बहुत पसंद आता है, वो करने में भी बहुत मजा आता है. So we will enjoy here while studying maths. Now we are going to start the first chapter, chapter number 1, numbers up to 200. I know that all of you know the numbers till 100 in class 1. But now we will do till number 200. Okay? But now before going to start the new chapter, first of all we will see some information that is given here. The place around your house is called your neighborhood. आपके घर की जो आसपास की जो जगह है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? नेबरहुड. हाउ मेनी पीपल लिव इन योर बिल्डिंग? आपके बिल्डिंग में कितने लोग रहते हैं? इज द स्ट्रीट लैम्प टॉलर और शॉर्टर देन द क्लोजेस्ट ट्री? यहाँ पर आपने देखा है कि ये जो स्ट्रीट लैम्प है वो उसके पास जो ट्री है उससे बड़ा है या छोटा है? टॉलर और शॉर्टर. स्ट्रीट लैम्प टॉलर और शॉर्टर देन द क्लोजेस्ट ट्री. ये जो लैम्प है उसके बाजू में ये ट्री है तो दैट इज टॉलर और शॉर्टर. व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द स्ट्रिप्स ऑन द zebra crossing? Here you can see the strips that is for zebra crossing. So what is the shape of this? It is rectangular. Okay, and now we are going to start the chapter. And first of all, we will revise that whatever you had done in first standard. You had learned the number till 100 in first standard. Now here first exercise is given there for matching. Here are ones and tens are given. The number is given in the between and the number names are here in third part. So we have to join the number and afterward the name of that number. And yes, whenever we are matching these numbers, you have to use the scale with your pencil. If you will draw the line with the scale, it will look neat and clean. So first one is done. Here it is. This is 110. This is 210 means 20, and 3 ones are there means 23. So we have to draw the line like this and the number name is 23. Then second one, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones are there and 7 tens are there and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. So the number will be 74. So where it is written? Here it is written 74. So for that you have to draw the line from here to here. That you have to draw line. Okay. And the number name is given, that is written here 74. So you have to draw two lines from here to here, and afterwards 74 it is written here. So you have to draw a line again from 74 the number to the number name 74 it is written here. The same way the third one, how many tens are there? 3 tens. And how many nines are there? How many ones are there? 9. So 39 is this. The number is written 39. You have to draw the line from here to here, and afterward the name is written here. From here you have to draw the line. The name is written 39 here. So you have to draw the line here. Okay. And the next and last one, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens are here and only one is there. So the number is 81. So you have to draw the line from here to 81 here, and the name is written at the top. So you will continue the line from 81 to the name is written 81 here. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this, and you have to draw the line with the scale. Okay. And now the second question, that is write the numbers before, after or between. Here you have to write the number before, after or between. Here we have to write before number. After 59, which number will come? After 59, the number will be 60. Okay. Then in the second number, we have to write before number. Here we had written after 59 60, but here the space is given before, so we have to write before number. Before 81, which number will be there? The number will be 80, and here we have to write between number 67 and 69, which number will be there between these number? That is 68. Okay. So like this you have to write the after, before and between number. And in the third question, what we have to do, in each group color the car with the greatest number red and smallest number blue. Okay. So here you have to write the in these two pictures, here are, for in first picture here are four cars. In from these four car, which number is bigger? That greater number you have to do the color red. So which one is greatest number? 83, 81, 85 and 80. Which number is greatest number? The number is 85, that is greatest number. So you have to color this with red. And which one is smaller? The smaller number is 80. So you have to color this car with blue. Same here in the next picture, four numbers are there: 21, 25, 52 and 23. So which one is greatest number? That is 52. So you have to color this car with red, and the second number, that is smallest number, that is 21. So you have to color this car with blue. Understood? I hope all of you understood this. And now we will go to the next page. Now the new topic is building numbers up to 200. Here we can see the example. Raghu sells stamps in the neighborhood post office. This is the stamp. This is one stamp. Here you can see this is the one stamp. Now here this is the strip of 10 stamps. ये जो स्टेम्स है, ये कितने स्टेम्स है? 10 स्टेम्स है, और ये पूरे 10 स्टेम की एक स्ट्रिप है. ओके. सो 10 वंस इज इक्वल्स टू 110. ये जो है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10, तो ये 10 वंस मिलके क्या होता है? 110. एंड आई नो दैट दिस you had learned in first standard also. 10 ones is equals to 110. So here are 10 strips are here. 10 strips. This is one strip, but here are 10 strips. This is a sheet of 100 stems. There are 10 strips of 10 stems here. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the 10 strips. So 10 tens is equals to 100. This is how Raghu counts stems that are more than 100. अब अगर 100 से ज़्यादा है कोई stems, तो रघु कैसे count करता है? तो for that we will see, this is the 10 strips means 100 plus 1. So plus 1 is there, 100 we are writing here, 1 we have to add in this number. So we will write like this, 101. So here you can see we have to write 1 at 1's place. 0 at tens place because no tens are there, and 100 is there, so 1 is written at 100 place. Okay, 0 is in the tens place as there are no tens. Now here we will see, we will write 101, we say 101. Second example, that is 100, 10 strips are here, plus 2 strips are there, means 20. So here we will write 100 and 20 in place of ones and tens. So we will write like this, 1, 2, 0. And here we can see 0 at ones place, 2 at tens place because 20 is here, so 2 tens are there. That's why we had written 2 tens and 100. 0 is in the ones place as there are no ones. यहाँ पर 0 ones के place में है क्योंकि यहाँ पर ones के लिए कोई नंबर नहीं है. We write 120 and we say 120. We write 120 and we say 120. Understood? Now one more example for this. These are 100. These are 4 strips, matlab 4 tens means 40 and 5 ones. Okay. So how will we write? 100 plus 40 plus 5. So here what will we do? We will write like this, 1, 4 and 5. Okay. So how will we read this number? First of all, we will write at the correct place, 5 at ones place because here are 5 ones. Here you can see 40, sorry, 4 tens means 40. So 4 tens you had written here, 4 tens and 100. So 1 at hundreds place. Okay. So like this we will write this number 145. We write 145 and we say 145. So here you can see the number strips of stamps, and you know that 10 tens is equals to 110, and afterward if we add any tens or ones in hundreds, how we have to write the number? You have to write these numbers at the correct places, ones, tens and hundreds, so you can understood the place value of these 3-digit numbers. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this, and of course we will revise this in our online class also. Okay, so all of you keep studying, and thank you and have a nice day.